Find or read reviews that people are talking about NETGEAR Nighthawk Tri-Band Wi-Fi 7 Router, RS300. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Blazing fast Wi-Fi 7 speeds up to 9.3 GB for gaming, smooth streaming, video conferencing and entertainment. Wi-Fi 7 delivers 2.4x faster speeds than Wi-Fi 6 to maximize performance across all devices. Sleek new body with smaller footprint and high-performance antennas for up to 2,500 square feet of Wi-Fi coverage. 2.5 gig internet port enables multi-gig speeds with the latest cable or fiber internet service plans. 2x 2.5 gigabit and 2x 1 gigabit Ethernet LAN ports for fast wired connections. NETGEAR Armor provides an automatic shield of security for your Wi-Fi. Get real-time protection against hackers and added privacy with VPN 30-day trial included. Easily set up and manage your Wi-Fi with the Nighthawk app. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.